What's going on, Amazon? Today I am shouting out the Ninja CREAMi that my wife and I absolutely love. We use the same thing all the time, and so I wanted to jump on here, shout this bad boy out to you guys, show you guys exactly what this thing looks like when you've got it set up and it is on your counter. So one thing I love about all Ninja products, as you can see over here, we've got the Ninja Pod. That's for my wife and I's coffee. Y'all, Ninja products look great on the countertop. So as you can see here, just looks super sleek, super clean. We can kind of just tuck it away when we need to, and then we pull it straight out. But y'all, what's amazing about this is all the different options for your, they call it their creamify technology, which I love. So you can do things like ice cream, light ice cream. You could do a gelato, you could do a sorbet. You can also do like a smoothie bowl or like an acai bowl, and then they've also got the option for milkshake. So I don't know if you guys have seen those videos where they show all these different like recipes where you can make like ice cream that you go out and go to Ben and Jerry's or whatever for, but you can make them strictly with this CREAMi. Just get the ingredients, and some of the times, y'all, it's honestly a little bit better for you than all the other stuff that comes with it. So what my wife and I love to do is we throw, there's like a little container that's obviously not in here because it's in the freezer, but we throw all of our materials into the container, we let it freeze overnight, and then the next day, we get a nice little treat at the end of the night. So overall, this thing is really incredible. It only takes a couple minutes, and you've got homemade ice cream, which is so fun. My wife and I have really enjoyed it just to give ourselves a nice little treat. So definitely recommend this product. The Ninja CREAMi is literally one of, if not my favorite appliances when it comes to, honestly, I just get some nice treats out of it. So definitely recommend it. Looks great, super easy to use. Awesome. They also do have some built-in recipes that they give, and like they give like a nice little pamphlet to give you some ideas on what you should do, what you should make. So that's also fun as well. So overall, love Ninja. Definitely love the CREAMi. Highly recommend. Add it to your cart, y'all. You'll be happy that you did.